Hi guys, what's up? My name is Hamida Khan and I'm doing my masters from TSS Mumbai. So I've been doing my internship this winter and honestly I've been feeling a bit drained lately. So to cheer myself up, I decided to treat myself to something amazing. So I went to this place Global Fusion. It's in Powai. Now if you are in Bombay and love buffets like me, so you have probably heard of this place and let me tell you, it's next level. I have always loved buffets and like I'm such a foodie. And one thing, who doesn't enjoy unlimited food, right? So like last year I visited to Barbecue Nation. Not like last year, Barbecue Nation is the only place जहाँ पे मैं ज़्यादा buffets के लिए prefer करती हूँ. And also this I have tried China Bistro, but मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. So I wanted to try something different, right? So that's when I found Global Fusion, and it completely amazed me. So mainly Global Fusion known for its Asian cuisine and North Indian cuisine, and they have a variety of desserts. So first, let's see the like whatever the starters and main course they have. So this is the starter section where we have veg and non-veg, both option, and we have dim sum like fried and steam, and we have prawns, different kind of prawns, and iceberg chicken and teriyaki chicken and tempura prawns, like a lot of options. Like I can't tell you, when I saw these starters, I got very happy कि, oh my god, मैं सच में इतना सारा कैसे खाने वाली हूँ. But I really needed to try everything. So like you can see on my table, like I just picked up one piece of everything because I don't know, मुझे सब कुछ ऐसे try करना था, and I got very excited. Like right now I am. And let's check out this sushi counter. Like Global Fusion offers an incredible variety of sushi, including favorites like California rolls, spicy tuna rolls, and even vegetarian options that I didn't try. But like each piece is beautifully made, fresh, and full of flavor. And one of the best part is here is the live cooking counters. The chefs whip up dishes like stir fried noodles, crispy tempura, like teppanyaki right in front of you, and everything is made fresh just the way you like it. Like so I paid like 1700 for this buffet, and honestly it's worth every penny. Like you get a solid 3 hours to enjoy the food. And let me tell you, like there are over like 50-60 dishes to choose from, and from starters to dessert the variety is just insane. And also I tried as much as I could, but there's no way I could taste everything, and there's just so much. And with all the amazing flavors, it's impossible to pick a favorite. Like every dish felt like it was crafted with so much care and attention. And also like I couldn't record everything either, but trust me, this sushi, dim sums, and like I'm fan of pan Asian cuisine. So like everything is amazing, and the desserts are the real stars of the show. I'll show you at the end of the video. And if you are a foodie like me, like you will absolutely love it here. You can see the main course here is packed with options. You'll find everything from creamy Thai curries and Chinese stir fries to classic Indian dishes like butter chicken, biryani, dal makhani, paneer dishes, and kung pao paneer, veg manchurian, white sauce pasta, spinach paneer. Like a lot of option. But yes, I'm like a hardcore non-vegetarian, and पेट भी इतना भर गया था. I haven't tried main course, not even the non-veg section. Now, for my favorite part, the desserts. So, they've got a great selection, including pastries, mousse, puddings, and even cheesecake. You can also find Indian sweets like gulab jamun, gajar ka halwa, moong ka halwa. But I was so mad at this ice cream wala section because they have ice cream from Baskin Robbins, and we have cotton candy, vanilla, Mississippi mud, and I really love Mississippi mud with brownie. So brownie भी था, Mississippi mud भी था, तो फिर I just ended my meal with this delicious dessert. If you're in Bombay and foodie like me, you've got to try the food at Global Fusion, and do subscribe to my channel. So I'm a student at Tata Institute in Bombay. So I mostly post videos related to campus life and everything around it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye. Take care.